We're back on the road. When we were out of the car, sir. We are, where are we? We are about halfway between Ronda and Granada. No?
Sí.
Why are you laughing? Is it because the sign said Malaga and Granada?
No.
We just stopped in Antequera for a little pit stop. And for Leo to run around on a playground and burn off some 4-year-old energy. And we had, see? Then we got back in the car. I'm not out of energy completely, but with less energy than is necessary for sitting in the car for another 23 minutes.
But I still have too much energy.
Yeah, we know that.
Why?
Why? Because you're my son.
You know that I have too much energy. I still have too much energy.
Sometimes, most of the time, probably all the time.
Why?
Because you are Mr. Energy Man.
And I never run out of energy.
Not usually. My mom might have some thoughts, but she's busy. Okay, Leo, what are your thoughts on Ronda? The place that we just left this morning. Correct. See? Welcome back to the trip, Leo. Well, like some of us are on the trip. Like, me and Mama, at least. I don't know about you. There's a giant rock formation sticking out of the ground.
Where?
Way ahead of us. Looks like something you could see in Colorado, New Mexico, Arizona, or Utah. Well, yeah, now you can see it. We're driving in the Peugeot. Leo, do you see the giant rocky mountain in front of us?
Yeah.
Okay, that's the giant rock formation thing we were talking about.
Look at that giant bridge.
There's a giant bridge in front of the giant rock. You think that's a train bridge? Could be. Looks like it. Why? I don't know. We are approaching Granada.
Estamos en el dealership line.
I wonder if this Ford dealership has any Mustangs. Doesn't look promising. Just Pumas and something else. Nothing exciting to see yet. Just a bridge. And a bridge. And a bridge. They've got palm trees.
Mira, hay un parque, quiero pararme en ese parque.
Bueno, ahorita no podemos porque el señor de la...
¿Qué?
We gotta get to the place where we're staying, buddy.
Why?
Bueno, porque el
'Cause-
señor nos está esperando.
Pues, señor.
El que nos va a abrir la puerta.
We are going to stay in Granada for 3 days. See what it's all about. And then we're gonna head to a place called Oliva. Another dark and tiny parking garage. Lady, come here. In the apartment in Granada, it's a little bit small, but decent sized bedroom. window, looking out into a courtyard of some sort. Bienvenidos, welcome, bienvenidos. Bathroom, kind of tiny, but then again, every bathroom is tiny to me. Let's see. Hello, lady. Are you excited to not be in the car?
What?
Talking to ladies now. Home sweet home.
What is home sweet
Home's
home?
where the AC is.
Home is where the AC is. We got a microwave on top of a refrigerator. A tiny, mostly functional looking kitchen. A super tiny TV, so we can watch Spain and Portugal later tonight. And a balcony view of something. And a decorative lamp that's a little short for someone my height.
Mama,
I'll try to avoid it.
well,
Who found the Kit Kat bar? That's not just for you, Leo. Remember, we're gonna team Kit Kat.
it's a tobacco
Wow,
packet.
very graceful, buddy. We're gonna chill here until the heat dissipates a little bit, and then go explore the city. We've got Audrey Hepburn.
Le, pero no las troces.
What are you doing, dude? Walking up a giant hill.
Tiene que esperar un poquito. Hola, horario. A la 9:30. Mira, Leo, mira qué bonita se ve la ciudad de aquí.
Esta frase termina aquí. Entonces, esto es el emblema de los nazarenos, de los cristianos. Claro, empieza aquí, termina aquí. Ellos lo que nos van a ir diciendo es que no hay más vencedor que Dios. ¡Wow!
Mamá, cambié de opinión.
¿Qué? Oye, can we do a selfie here?
Sure.
Cambié de opinión.
¿Cuál fue el cambio?
Quería tomar fotos. Vamos.
¿Quieres que salgamos todos?
Sí. No, disculpe otra vez. Que se oscureció la pantalla. Hola. Hola. Glove. Put the glove inside.
The glove of destiny. What did this glove used to be, Leo? What was it before it was water? Remember when they gave it to you?
Ice.
Ice, and then what happened? It melted,
Yeah.
and now?
Water.
Water. Did it help your head to feel better?
Yeah.
Oye, les traigo este café de
Who's in charge of this recording?
¿Te puedo pedir si nos tomamos una foto?
Aquí yo no puedo sacar fotos.
Ah, vale.
Me lo tienen
¿Qué?
prohibido.
¿Qué, mamá?
Ven, ven.
Si toma una foto, ¿qué?
No, bueno, porque él está trabajando, no puede distraer.
Oh, look at you too.
Ay.
Probably wildcat or street cat.
Tomé una mientras se rascaba. And being awesome, but that's really flat.
When you're older, you'll come back here and go, what?
¿Qué? ¿Qué es? ¿Qué crees, Leo?
I guess. Okay.
불안 보이겠지? 불안가? 이거 불안야? 아니 이거